Hello students, welcome to online classes of Semstar Global School. I am Ramesh Sharma. Today I am going to start second part of chapter 6 multiples and factors. In the previous video we have learned how to find multiples of given number. We can find the multiple of given number by multiplying them from 1 to 3, 4 and so on. Okay, now in this video we will learn how to find factors. So first of all, what is factor? Factor is a number which is divided by another number exactly without leaving any remainder. It means a number whose factor is 3, 4, 5. It means this number is divided by 3, 4 and 5 exactly without leaving any remainder. See, suppose factor of 40. So, you know that 40 is divided by 1 because 1 is factor of all the numbers. It means 1 can divide 40 without leaving any remainder. It means exactly. See how? 1 4 are 4. Now 0. 1 0 are 0. Now you can see 1 divides this 40 completely without leaving any remainder. Is it clear? It means 1 is the factor of 40. Now next, divide this number 40 by 2 now. When you divide 40 by 2, 2 2s are 4. Now 0. 2 zeros are 0. It means again 2 is the factor of 40. So write here 2 now. Now 3. Divide this number 40 by 3. 3 ones are 3. See, when we divide 40 by 3, then 3 ones are 3. 4 minus 3 is 1, 0. 3 3s are 9. We have 1 as remainder. It means 3 is not factor of the number 40. Clear? Now 4. 4 tens are 40. You know that 40 is divisible by 4 by 10. 4 tens are 40. So right here 4. Now 5. 5 eights are 40. So 5 is the factor of 40. Clear? Now 6. 6 6 are 36. 6 7 are 42. After 36, the next multiple of 6 is 42. That is why 6 is not factor of 40. Now try by 7. 7 5 are 35. 7 6 are 42. Again 7 is not factor of 40. Next 8. 8 5s are 40. So 8 is a factor of 40. Clear? Now next 9. 9 is not factor of 40 because 9 5 is the 45 and 9 4 the 36. That is why 9 is not factor of 40. Now 10. 10 4s are 40. That is why 10 is the factor of 40. Similarly, now 11 is not factor of 40, 12 is also not factor of 40 because 11 for the 44, 12 3 is 36, 12 for the 48, 13 3 is 39, 14 4s are. The next factor is 20. 22s are 40. And after this 20, the last factor is 40 itself. Is it clear? See, so now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 40 has 8 factors. Clear? That is 1, 2, 4, 5, 8, 10, 20 and 40 itself. Now, it is clear that a given number has 2 factors, 1 and 40 itself. And then you can find the rest of the number by dividing the given number from 1 to the given number. Okay, because after 40 you can't divide the 40 like 41. If we take after 40 41 cannot divide 40. That is why we will take the factors from 1 to 40. Clear? Now one more thing. Just before this topic, it means factors, we will learn how to find. We have learned how to find multiples. So you know that there are infinite number of multiples, but factors is finite. It means we can find a factor of a given number like this, and the factors are countable also. Multiple are not countable. Clear? Now next, suppose next number is 48. So we start from 1. 1 is the factor of all the numbers, that is why write here 1. Then 2. Divide this 24 by 2. Okay. So when you divide by 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. So 48 is divided by 2 completely. That is why 2 is the factor of 48. Is it clear? Now divide by 3. See, again 48 divided by 3 completely without leaving any remainder. See, when we divide 40 by 3, then we have 1 as remainder, but in this case now we have 0 as remainder. That is why 3 is the factor of 48. So write here 3 also. Clear? Now 4. 12 4s are 48. You know that 4 multiplied by 12 is equals to 48. It means 4 is the factor of 48. So you can write it directly. See, if you learn the tables, then you can divide a number directly. See how 16 3s are 48. That is why 3 16 are 48 also. So we can write directly 3. Similarly, 12 4s are 48. It means 4 is divisible by 48 divisible by 4. Now next 5. 5 9s are 45 and 5 10s are 50. It means 48 is not factor of 48 is not divided by 5. So 5 is not factor of 48. Next 6. 6 8s are 48. So write here 6. Now next 7. 7 7s are 49. That is why 7 is not a factor of 48. Now check by 8. 8 6 are 48. See, when we divide 48 by 6, then we have 6 8s are 48. That is why it means 8 is also factor of 48 and 6 is also. So now next number is 8. Then 9. 9 5 is 45. So 9 is not factor of 48. 10, 10 5 is 50, 10 4 is 40. Again 10 is not factor of 40. 11, see 11 4s are 44 and then 11 5s are 55. That is why 11 is not factor of 48, but 12. See again, when you divide 48 by 4, then you have 12 4s are 48. Now next 13. 13 is not factor of 48 because 13 4s are 13 3s are 39 and 13 4s are 52. That is why 13 is also not factor of 48. Now try by 14. 14 3s are 42 and 14 4s are 56. Again 14 is also not factor of 48. Then 15. 15. Divide this 48 by 15. 15 3s are 45. Similarly 15 is also not factor of 48. But see, 16 is here. 3 16s are 48 and 16 3s are 48. So 16 is a factor of 48. Clear? Now 17, 18, 19, 20 all are not factor of 48. Then 21 is also 22. No. 23. No. then the next number after 16 is 24, because 16 3 is 48, 24 2 is 48. See, you divide 48 by 24, then 24 2 is 48. See, clear? That is why 24 is there also. The next number after 24 is 48 itself. Clear? So now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 48 has 10 factors. Clear? In this way you can find factors of the given numbers. Factors are countable, and the number which divide a number that divides another number completely, then the number is called factor. Similarly, see, 2 will divide 40, that will be the factor of 40. Clear? Now next question. Circle the numbers that have 6 as a factor. So we have these numbers. In this, some numbers have 6 as a factor. We will have to find that number which has 6 as a factor. So 1 is not have any factor. 1 is the factor of all the numbers, but the factor of 1 is 1 itself only. Okay. Now 3 is less than 6. So again 6 is not factor of 3. Now 6 1s are 6. So first number is 6 itself is the factor of 6. Now 8, 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12. So 6 is not factor of 8. Now 12, 6 2s are 12. So 12 has a factor 6. Okay. Now next 18. 6 3s are 18. Again 6 is the factor of 18. Okay. Then 20. 6 is 18. 6 4s are 24. We can't divide 20 by 6 without leaving any remainder. That is why 6 is not factor of 20. Check the next number, 24. 6 4s are 24. So 6 is the factor of 24 also. Next number, 28. 28 is not divided by 6 again. So 6 is not factor of 28. Then 30. 6 5s are 30. So 6 is the factor of 30 also. Then 32. 6 5s are 30. Then after 6 6 are 36. That is why 6 is not factor of 32. So now we have 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5. 5 as 5 numbers that has 6 as a factor. Clear? Now next question, find the factors of 24. You know how to find the factors of given number by dividing the number from 1 to 24. Okay? For this number from 1 to the given number. Okay? So solution 24. 1 is the factor of all the numbers, so write here 1 firstly. Okay? Then 2, 12 2s are 24, so write here 2. Then 3 8s are 24, so 3 is also the factor of 24. 4 6 are 24, so 4 is also the factor of 24. Next 5 is not factor of 24 because 5 5s are 25. Okay? Now next number is 6 4s are 24. Yes? So write here 6. Next number is 7 4s are 28, 7 3s are 21. So the number 24 is not divided by 7. So 7 is not factor of 24. Next number is 8 3s are 24. Clear? 8 3s are 24. So 8 is a factor of 24. Next number is 9 3s are 27. Again 9 is not factor of 24. 10 3s are 30, 10 2s are 20. Again 10 is not factor of 24. Then 11 is not 12. 2s are 24. See, 2 12s are 24. Then after the last, the digit itself and the number itself 24. Clear? So 24 has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 factors. Okay.